front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this tablet. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and choose lock screen. Now you need to tap on screen lock type and pick one of those login methods. Swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it and enter my login method. Following that, select next and repeat it. Then choose confirm and adjust all notifications on your lock screen in those settings over here. You can also disable notifications completely by tapping on the switcher at the top. When you're ready, select done, and if you wish to back up your pattern, select continue. I don't want to, so I will go with home button again. And now when I turn off my screen, over here somewhere, and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!